Number 15. Twig by Quirky. Are you tired of tangled buds and mashed up cords that annoys you every time? Relax. Here it is, the perfect solution for you. Introducing Quirky Twig headphone cord with side-by clips. It's easy to use and carry. It's time to forget the mess. Number 14. Mango Magnetic Air Vent Mount. This simple but smart gadget holds your cell phone to avoid falling when you go over bumps. The box includes 2 metal plates and a holder. To install the magnetic mount, stick the metal plate inside your mobile case or attach to outside of the cell phone. This smart design is convenient to set on thinner or thicker air vent. The 360-degree rotation capacity lets you set the most comfortable angle. Number 13. Powercurl Mini. Introducing the Quirky Smart Cord Wrap. Just attach your USB cable, wrap the cord around the base, then snaps back over the top to hide those unsightly cables. The Powercurl Mini is comfortable to carry anywhere. No tangled wire, just pleasant experience. Powerful Curl Mini, charge your phone with a smart cord manager. Number 12. Nite Ize Twist Tie. From small cables and cords to larger equipments, Nite Ize is compatible to all. Due to its great flexibility, you can bend it over any device or gadget. The twist tie can be used at anywhere in your house, in garage, or at outside trip. The bendable wire gives you super strength with just simple twist, so you can reuse it later. Its outer rubber layer keeps safe your gadgets and gears from any harm or scratch, no matter how much time you band it or twist. The durability of the tie lasts longer. You can use it with power cable and earphones, bread bags, extension cords at construction site, any traveling luggage, and much more. The variety of colors is another great option for you to choose your cord or earphones out of a dozen other stuffs. The device is protected from rainwater and salt water. Pick your choice of twist tie and arrange everything neatly. Number 11. Align. It is a smart stapling device that staples where an ordinary stapler can't reach. You can use it on bulletin boards, posters, or anywhere you like. Just attach the base and it's ready to go. Its magnetic feature is helpful to hold your unwanted things over your desk. Order Align today and feel free from untidy table. Number 10. Brainwaves Headphone Desk Hanger. If you always feel worried about the damage and scratches on your valuable headphones, this is the right choice for you. The Brainwaves hanger is made of strong metal body that ensures holding your gear without bending or breaking. It's easy to install on any surface or edge. Give your working spot a stylish and unique look with Brainwaves Headphone Desk Hanger. Number 9 is Rapid Slicer Cutter Gadget. Let's make slicing a pleasant experience. The innovative Rapid Slicer saves your time, energy, and turns it into a happy kitchen experience. Slice any of the small or round eatables within one knife pass. The non-slip feet design holds all small, large produces. Additionally, the top lid helps to keep your hands safe from any injury. The versatile design lets you work with any kind of vegetables or the fruit you like most. Moreover, you can smoothly slice chicken breasts or shrimps too. Its PBA-free plastic body ensures your health security. Order Rapid Slicer now and experience the joy of slicing. Number 8. Powercurl. If you are tired of untidy extensions, the Quirky Powercurl is a perfect choice to fix your jumble adapter in a smart way. The removable lid covers the excessive cables and gives it an eye-pleasant look. Its cover is made of soft and durable silicone, so when the cord is wrapped, you can easily hide it. Take it to the office or anywhere. It's lightweighted and easy to carry. Number 7. Firefly Silicone Solar LED. Firefly is made to enlighten your world. Carry the Firefly wherever you go, outdoor parties, camping trips, bike rides, or as an emergency in darkest hours. The Firefly weighs only 6 ounces. Its dual charging option supports solar energy as well as magnetic USB port. It can be recharged with your laptop or a car power point. The lantern provides 4 light options: 25 lumen stands for 8 hours, 50 lumens up to 4 hours, 100 lumen for 200 hours, and flash feature with 50 lumen or known as SOS setting. The LED looks beautiful in green and natural in white color. The durability is at its high, so damage option can be excluded here. Moreover, the outer bulb is made of flexible silicone that is unbreakable. You can easily unscrewing the top strip, fold the bulb, and put it into small places like backpacks or car glove boxes. Additionally, the water-resistant features keep safe from rain or any other water falling. Number 6 is Tactical Credit Card. Introducing Tactical Credit Card, a multifunctional tool for you routine works. It includes 12 daily required tools plus 2 bonus tools. It is 3.5 inches larger, 2.3 inches wider, and 0.2 inch thinner. A compass and magnifier glass for your outdoor adventure. Some other features are 3-inch and 6-centimeter rulers, a bottle opener and flathead screwdriver, a fire starter, a knife, a fishing line cutter and hex tool, a toothpick, a tweezers, and last but not least, a knife sharpener. The bonus tools are an emergency whistle and a 3-foot nylon cord. Number 5. Dual Camjam 1. Now webbing becomes easier than ever with the powerful Dual Camjam 1-inch webbing tensioner. The dual locking system let you slide it along the webbing for ideal placement anywhere. The sharp arrows help you to webbing through the buckle correctly. After fixing one end of the strap, use the first cam to position and lock where you need. Then after passing the webbing through the other anchor, the second cam of the works as a strong lock. You can use it to fix any of your heavy luggages. The strong and durable zinc alloy buckle is able to carry 600-pound load. Camjam webbing tensioner, the perfect helping hand for your heavy loading jobs. Number 4, crossover for iPhone. Introducing the small but smartest cell phone tool. Protect your cell phone corners with the 2-piece silicone straps case. Its X-shaped design ensures security of your credit cards, business card, or notes. Number 3, reflective socks. If you are an athlete and fond of running, walking, or cycling in dark paths, you must be worried sometime of running car and other heavy vehicles. But no worry. These reflective socks will be the best companion in your long way exercise. Its quality of high reflectivity covers bigger area where it requires. It is not made of reflective yarn. It is made of thousands of directionally orientated spherical mirrors to reflect 10 to 50 times more light. The socks can last up to 50 wash cycles. Our brain is used to notice motion. The continuously moving socks defines you as a human in front of a car, so chances of accident can be avoided. Its moisture socking feature keeps your feet dry and comfortable. The upper mesh vent keeps your feet cool, and the arch supports comfort and stability. Number 2, Stowables. Manufactured by Quirky, Stowable is a collapsible storage container. It can optimize container storage capacity according to need. Telescopic body helps container in shrinking with food consumption. It's stackable, airtight, and easy to clean. Number 1, Wrapster. Introducing an amazing tool for you messy earphone cords. Wrapster. Its unique design easily manages any longer cord neatly. After unwrapping, the Wrapster turns into a mobile phone holder. It is available in a wide color range too.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.